After 2 months of a lockdown in Italy, parks and public spaces will now reopen their gates. It's the start of a gradual easing of the tight restrictions which saw the country hard hit by COVID-19. The mayor of Turin says there's extra public transport for an expected 80,000 people heading to work.
The means of public transport are sanitised. There are all the procedures that guarantee safety. There'll be signage showing how to get on and how to get off, and signage that enables people to stay 1 metre away from one another. Also, starting on Monday, it's compulsory to wear a face mask on public transport. If you don't have one, they'll be distributed by the region to all residents to be taken on board.
Meanwhile, in Spain, it counted the lowest daily number since the start, with 164 deaths on Sunday. The country had one of the strictest measures, and since the weekend, Spaniards have been allowed outside to exercise or go for a walk with different times for different age groups. In France, Paris police have issued 64,000 violation tickets since the beginning of the lockdown. New measures will be announced this week as the death toll continues to drop. But from the 11th of May, masks will have to be worn on public transport and shops are scheduled to reopen. The UK is fast reaching Italy's fatality figures and could soon surpass Europe's worst hit country, as the total number of deaths has now reached more than 28,000. This week, the government will set out plans of how the country will get back to work, with more public transport and possible staggered work times. Meanwhile, Russia has seen a sharp increase of new virus cases, with more than 10,000 confirmed on Sunday. More than half of those were in Moscow. But officials say the increased figure is because of the rise in the number of tests. Louise Miner, Euronews.